Fight Me is going to show you the best and latest technologies from the expo. Here's a look at a very interesting app, customizing the user interface of your smartphone to suit your needs. The openness of Android is spectacular. It gives users access to a number of user interfaces, making each smartphone unique in a way. But even though there are a number of user interfaces available on the Google Play Store, there is nothing that makes the device truly unique, customized to your personality. Well, that's about to change. PhoneClay is a website with a companion Android app, PhonePlay. What does this do, you ask? Well, to start with, it helps you build a custom user interface from the ground up. You might think this is a complicated procedure with coding languages and the works. The truth is, it's a lot simpler than that. All you need to do is go to PhoneClay on your browser and log in. Once logged in, you have a number of tools at your disposal to make your very own custom user interface. All you have to do is drag and drop and assign a function to the respective image. In the example here, Roy wants to make a user interface that incorporates the images of his daughter. A picture of the little girl holding a phone can lead to the dialer. Her holding a board with SMS written upon it opens up the messaging app, so on and so forth. All this was achieved by simply dragging and dropping and assigning functions. Moving to the smartphone, you can see how the user interface has translated. Rather than having a traditional home screen, the smartphone now has the home screen that was made using PhoneClay, the images of the child. Clicking on the respective image of the child leads to the specific function such as calls, SMS, apps, etc. Here is the really cool thing. There is an online community where you can share your work for free or set it up as a paid user interface. It's your call. All this is absolutely free to users. So what's your new customized user interface?